Hello guys, welcome to another backtesting video. Today I'll be backtesting the data of Monday 25th of March 2024. So my higher time frame bias, my weekly bias was clearly DXY bullish according to how the weekly closed, and also Thursday and Friday literally was bullish. So whenever the weekly and daily bias aligns, you know that I take trade on Monday. So yeah, that was one of the things. So DXY was bullish, GU was bearish, and also there was a fair value gap, but that doesn't matter right now. And if I'm looking for sales, I have to look for supply zones, right? As you guys know by now, you know the drill. Everything I follow in my strategy, you guys know by now. And this is when I go to the lower time frames. On the H4 we can see the market change character here. It was bullish. I will not mark all of that because I can just by one glance I can see that the market is now bearish, lower high, lower low. And yeah, there was the H4 fair value gap, H4 supply zone right here, and also on the H4 there was nothing more to mark. And on the H1 this was the supply zone that I was looking to trade from on Monday after the Asian range closed, obviously. So if I show you the DXY quickly, on DXY I was looking for a pullback, a higher low to at least to this fair value gap to then continue upwards, and DXY was so close to the previous week high. And this is when I go to the hourly time frame and wait for the Asian range to close. So the Asian range has closed, lower high, lower low, lower high, accumulation. Literally the market has done the accumulation. There was Asian high, Asian low, previous structural liquidity sweep, and I was looking for something like that, like this, right? So yeah, that was what I was looking for. And after that I watched the market in the hourly, as you guys know. So I didn't took the trade here because the Asian high was not swept. The Asian high did got swept there, and I took this trade on basis of the M15. And also this was a New York session trade, as you can see. Supply zone mitigation, everything we want to see in a trade was here. Supply zone got mitigated. There was selling pressure right here. It was a 9 pip stop loss and a 1:3 risk to reward. And if I show you DXY was also aligning and reacting after sweeping some sort of demand. It was reacting from some sort of demand right around here. And yeah, that was the trade, which was a loss, by the way. It stopped us out, and losses are part of the game, as we know. This was a loss. Some Mondays you will win, some Mondays you will lose. So if you want to trade Mondays, you have to accept the fact that some Mondays you will lose, some Mondays you will win. There is no 100% guarantee, right? But due to risk management, when I win more. When I lose less. That is how I am profitable in the markets. I am a profitable trader. And yeah, that was the analysis.